this season we've got a brand new car. Tomorrow to give it a shakedown. We had a little run at Avalon a couple of weeks ago. Car went pretty well. I was a bit timid. New car, didn't want to bend it, didn't want to break it, didn't know what it was going to do when I tipped it in that first turn. But now we're going to Hamilton they've got a practice day over there. It's just down the road, so we're going to go and have a look at that, and hopefully it goes pretty good. I've got the car loaded up, we've got all our tools, I've got my gear, Idiot. Okay, we'll try that again. I have the car, I have my gear, I have fuel, we're ready to roll.
What's the go?
Don't know, it's getting fucking slippery out there. Yeah, I'll have a water. And we're done. Car performed pretty well. No hiccups, everything went pretty well. Made some setup changes just to see how it reacted. Reacted how it should have. So next race in a couple of weeks at Moama, which is a massive track apparently. Really, really fast. Got to find a new gear ratio for that before we go. So hopefully we'll be all good.
60 car to lead him around again. Stephen Hateley.